Even this massive swimming pool is a banner. It was the last time I visited. It was really full of stuff and one of the most interesting places I've been. This is like the main hall. I'm gonna save it for later. Yeah, no one here. I think I can just chill and be more comfortable now. It's kind of falling apart, but it's okay. Some Pilates equipment. I've already did exercise in something like that. Man, I'm gonna take my time here, see the details I passed through last time. Don't even know what this room is. Has a little water still. But it seems like they don't care enough you for security at this time. It's a culture house focused on special people and people with disabilities and stuff. Hey, look, this is some hand gesture language for deaf people. But here's the kitchen. Look at that. Since I can't for myself. Some pages from the Bible. Yes, that's interesting. I really like the feeling of this place. It is really special for me. I already feel nostalgic. A dishwashing machine. This might even work. The inside is really great. Considering take it for myself. Just kidding. I will explore another thief. Lot of documents. Don't even know what these are. It's like bank checks. Some ecotherapy stuff. Some notes about treatment. This is like a patient book with recommendations for each of them. 2008. Some child, some children, drawings, traffic, safety and education, first place, and helping special people. It's so nice. this doesn't break. Not this time. I believe this was landing. No one cares. What is that? If someone knows what this type of stuff is, just let me know. Don't have a clue on what this little jail was built for. Maybe some pool stuff, I don't know. And look what I found. On this roof. Pretty peaceful here.
I've been watching a film that never ends. I've been crying. I've been trying to forget you.
To the ground. There is a bird nest here. Like a little barn. A lot of beers, right? Just I'm resting a little bit of my parkour skills.
I've been clapping